Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Michael King back again with another analysis video. So, this video I'm going to analyzing the EURUSD because this is EURUSD in the daily time frame. I already marked some key levels on EURUSD. So I'm going to explain all the way from this period down to what's happening to EURUSD currently. So, consider right here, I marked a resistance level on EURUSD because price was rejected, as you can see, and price fell down all the way to this point right here. And price met a support level, as you can see, which is the price, and price made an upward movement, and price met a new resistance level right here, as you can see. So this new resistance level rejected price, and price fell all the way down to this point, even breaking the previous support level, as you can see. So price met a new support level right here, and it's rejected price, and price made an upward movement to retest this level. And if you look at all the way from this period right here, you can see that it was a support level, but when price now got to the level, it now acted as a resistance level and rejected price, and price fell all the way down to this point right here. So currently on EURUSD, this is the major support level right here for EURUSD. And until price can fall below this level, this will still remain the major support level. So this support level at price, our price made the upward movement to test this level, and this level was once the support level, as you can see, and as you can see, it's their price. So now I'm going to use the H4 time frame so I can show you a wider view of what's happening to EURUSD and also explain to you how to trade EURUSD this coming week. So this is EURUSD on the H4 time frame. And I can see this was when price met the support level, as you can see. So price went up, and this was when price met the resistance level. But this rated price, and price fell down to this point right here. But you can see I marked a minor level right here, and I'm going to explain why I marked a minor level. I'm going to take you guys back all the way to this point right here. You can see that when price was around this level, price fell down all the way to this point, and I marked a minor support level right here. So this minor support level I marked right here, that is the level that we have right here, and you can see it's struggling to reject price. It rejected price right here, and price fell down to this point, and price making a second attempt right here. So it means this level right here is going to be our decision for this week, if we are to buy or if we are to sell EURUSD. So if you're thinking of buying EURUSD, then I'll advise you to wait for price to break this level. Then if you're aggressive trader, you can place the buy stop right above it, but be careful of this level right here because it can reject price. But if you're a conservative trader, you have to wait for price to go up a little bit, then probably you trace to test this level. Then this level now stands as a support level, and you see a reversal candle, you can place a buy stop right above it, Forex management. But if you're thinking of selling EURUSD, then right at this point right here, you can sell if you see a bearish reversal candle showing that okay, this level wants to reject price. Because if you look at past data right here, you can see that we have a bearish candle right here on the H4 time frame, which signal that price about to fall down, and you can see price did fall. So if you can see something like this again right here, you can place a set stop right above, right below it, and price management. So that's on EURUSD analysis. If you do enjoy, please hit that like button, so share to your friends, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.